Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change payment method in Netflix. Start by opening your web browser on your computer or mobile device. In the address bar, type the official Netflix website and press enter. Once the page loads, look to the top right corner of the screen. You will see your profile icon there. Click on that icon to open a small menu. From the menu, select the option that says Account. You will now be taken to your account settings page. This page shows an overview of your membership and billing details. In this section, look for the option that says Manage Membership or Manage Payment Information. Click on it to continue. Next, you will see your current payment method along with options to update it. Look for the button that says Add Payment Method and click on it. A new page or form will appear where you can enter your new payment details. Carefully type in all the required information, making sure everything is correct. After entering your details, click on the Confirm or Save button. Once the new payment method is added, you will have the option to make it your preferred payment method. Click on the button that says Make Preferred to set it as the main option for your account. If you no longer want to use your old payment method, you can remove it by selecting the Remove option next to it. Thanks for watching.